Welcome everyone to Mastering User Story Writing. I'm Alyssa, a trained AI, playing the role of a seasoned business analyst, and I'm excited to embark on this journey of mastering the art of writing effective user stories. With me is Edgar, another AI, playing the role of an eager learner, ready to dive into the world of user-centric development.
Hey everyone. I'm Edgar, and I'm thrilled to learn from Alyssa's expertise. We're going to explore the ins and outs of user story writing together.
Absolutely, Edgar. In this course, we'll walk you through the process of transforming vague ideas into clear, actionable user stories that drive successful project development. User stories are a crucial part of Agile methodology, and they play a vital role in ensuring that the end product meets user needs.
That's right, Alyssa. Throughout the course, we'll not only understand what user stories are but also why they're essential, how to craft them effectively, and how to deal with challenges that may arise.
Exactly. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the skills needed to create user stories that guide developers, testers, and other team members in building products that truly resonate with users.
And it's not just about writing a sentence or two. We'll learn about acceptance criteria, user needs, effective collaboration, and so much more.
Absolutely. The journey will be interactive and engaging. We've structured the course with a mix of in-depth conversations, interactive exercises, real-life scenarios, and case studies to provide you with a comprehensive learning experience.
Plus, we'll have quizzes, key takeaways and summary notes to help you assess your understanding and reinforce key concepts along the way.
That's right. So, if you're a developer, a business analyst, a tester, a product owner, or an enthusiastic student interested in learning more about user stories, this course is designed to provide you with the tools you need to excel in user story writing.
And if you're just starting out like me, don't worry. Alyssa will guide us step by step, making sure we grasp each concept thoroughly.
Absolutely, Edgar. We're here to help you succeed, so buckle up, get ready to explore the world of user stories. And let's dive into Module 1, where we'll begin by understanding the basics of user story writing.
Awesome. I can't wait to get started and become a pro at this.
I'm glad to hear your enthusiasm, Edgar. So, to all our learners, thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's make the most of it, shall we? Agile project management is a flexible and iterative approach to managing and delivering projects. It focuses on collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Before embarking on a journey to start writing effective user stories, it is important to understand the fundamental concepts of Agile project management, specifically, the relationship between an initiative, epics, user stories, and tasks. Let us get started. At the highest level, an initiative is a broad goal or objective that an organization wants to achieve. It represents a strategic direction or a big picture aim. Initiatives can be long-term and may span multiple projects or iterations. Typically, senior leadership teams provide guidance and direction on these initiatives, ensuring alignment with the organization's overall vision and strategy.
Can you give me an example of an initiative?
Sure. Let's say a software company wants to improve customer satisfaction. This could be an initiative they set if they have noticed a drop in customer satisfaction or received feedback indicating areas of improvement. By focusing on this initiative, the company aims to address the issues that may be negatively impacting customer satisfaction and work towards enhancing the overall customer experience. Under each initiative, there are epics. Epics are large, high-level chunks of work that are closely related to the initiative. They represent a significant value or feature that needs to be delivered to achieve the initiative. Epics are typically too big and complex to be completed in a single iteration. Once the initiative has been established, the next step is to identify the epics for the initiative. During the identification of epics, it is crucial to consider the strategic alignment with the initiative and prioritize them based on their impact and value. This can be done through discussions, workshops, or collaborative sessions where different perspectives and ideas are shared. Involving stakeholders, subject matter experts, and the project team in the process of identifying epics is crucial for the success of the project. Additionally, epics should be defined in a way that they can be broken down into smaller, manageable user stories. This helps in achieving a clear understanding of the work involved and facilitates effective planning and execution. Once the epics have been identified, they can be further refined and prioritized based on factors such as dependencies, feasibility, and business value.
That makes complete sense. Can you also provide an example of an epic related to the customer satisfaction initiative?
Of course, an example of an epic related to the initiative of improving customer satisfaction might be to implement a customer feedback system. This epic focuses on developing and implementing a system that allows customers to provide feedback on the company's products or services, enabling the organization to gather valuable insights and make improvements based on customer suggestions and opinions. Additionally, here are 3 more examples of epics related to improving customer satisfaction. Enhance customer support processes. This epic focuses on improving the efficiency and effectiveness of customer support services, aiming to provide timely and satisfactory assistance to customers. Optimize user interface and user experience. This epic aims to enhance the usability and user experience of the company's products or services. It involves conducting user research, improving the design and flow of interfaces, and implementing user-centric features. Implement a customer loyalty program. This epic focuses on developing and implementing a loyalty program to incentivize customer loyalty and engagement. It includes designing the program structure, defining rewards and benefits, and integrating it into the company's systems. These 4 epics, when completed, will contribute to achieving the overarching goal and initiative of improving customer satisfaction.
I get the picture now, thank you. And, how do user stories relate to epics?
User stories are the building blocks of an epic. They define the specific requirements or functionalities needed to achieve the objectives outlined in the epic. Each user story is independent and represents a small, incremental step towards completing the epic. The course primarily emphasizes the creation of impactful user stories and their corresponding acceptance criteria. It is crucial, however, to grasp the broader context in which these user stories play a significant role.
To make this concept clear, can you give an example of a user story related to the implement a customer feedback system epic?
Sure. A user story could be, as a customer, I want to be able to provide feedback on the company's products or services so that my suggestions and opinions can be taken into consideration for improvement. This user story captures a specific requirement from the perspective of the customer and contributes to the overall objective of implementing a customer feedback system.
Nice. And I am assuming tasks break down a user story into actionable steps further. Is that correct?
Yes, tasks break down a user story into actionable steps. They can range from designing a user interface, writing code, conducting tests, to documenting the requirements. Tasks are often assigned to specific team members and have estimated effort and due dates. Here are a few examples of tasks. In summary, Agile project management follows a hierarchical structure, starting with the broad objectives of an initiative, breaking them down into epics, further refining them into user stories, and finally breaking down the user stories into tasks. This structured approach helps teams focus on delivering value incrementally, promotes collaboration, and allows for adaptability throughout the project.
Thank you, Alyssa. That explanation really helped me understand how these concepts relate to each other within Agile project management.